Now, Jamaica's sole Olympic representative in the sport of equestrian, Samantha Albert, is on a mission to get more riders to represent the island in the sport, with the 2028 Olympics being the initial target. As a result, an elite riding program has been established by the Equestrian Federation of Jamaica, and Albert is the national coach. Denise Walters tells us more.
Samantha Albert represented Jamaica at 2 Olympic Games in 3-day eventing. She didn't finish in Beijing 2008 and ended 51st out of 70 riders in London 2012. The Canadian-born Albert, who has a Jamaican mother and an English father, spent part of her childhood on the island before moving to the UK as a teenager. Early in her career, Albert was approached by Canada to ride for them, but she turned them down, and now after making her mark as an athlete for Jamaica, she is giving back as a coach, determined to have more than one Jamaicans in the sport go down in Olympic history.
Yes, my dream is to get riders to the Olympics. This is the start of it. There's still a lot of hard work and a lot of work that has to go into it, but my dream would be to get riders back at the LA Olympics in 2028.
The first major international competition geared towards that dream was the FEI's World Challenge Category C Derby, recently held at the Caymanas Polo and Equestrian Centre in St. Catherine. That competition was a combination of dressage, show jumping and cross-country.
So this is a .80 eventing World Challenge, so this course is of standard. The Olympics is 130 and the cross-country fence is everything, so it's a starting process, but we are aiming to get back to the Olympics, and this is just the start of it.
9 elite riders who have been training with Albert are the first set of equestrians in the pilot program, with their first elite eventing exhibition held in February.
But this is a 2-year program that we've been working on to get our athletes to this level. I'm thrilled with the way we went. All the riders rode really well. We had a great result, and I couldn't be happier.
Meanwhile, Albert has had help with the group in the form of trainer and former Olympian Argentine Jose Ortelli, who is a course designer and a coach.
I've been coming for the last 2 years teaching, helping in this program with Sam Albert and of course Heidi, the president of the federation. Well, luckily, after a long time, we could build and prepare an international event in Jamaica again, so I'm really proud to be part of it.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.